Something massive just happened at Apple Park, and if you aren't paying attention, you are about to fall behind on the biggest tech shift of the decade. We all expected 2026 to be big, but nobody predicted Apple would move this fast, this early in the year. Right now, as we speak, the tech world is reeling from a series of surprise announcements and leaks that have completely changed the roadmap for the rest of the year. Forget what you thought you knew about the iPhone 17 or the next MacBook. Apple just dropped the first major products of 2026, and they are laying the groundwork for a future that looks like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you are thinking about buying a new Apple device today, stop. Just stop. You need to hear this first because the game has changed. Let's start with the announcement that caught everyone off guard this February, the AirTag 2. It's been 5 years since the original tracker changed how we find our keys, but the second generation is a beast of its own. Apple didn't just make it smaller, they made it smarter. With the new U3 ultra-wideband chip, the range has been quadrupled. We are talking about finding your luggage from hundreds of feet away with precision that feels like magic. But the real kicker: privacy. Apple has introduced a new, advanced stalking protection that uses on-device AI to identify unknown trackers faster than ever. It's not just a tracker anymore, it's a security essential for 2026. But that was just the appetizer. The real shockwave came from the rumors surrounding the Apple TV 4K 2026. 4 months, we heard whispers, but now the code in iOS 26.3 has confirmed it. Apple is turning your living room into a high-end gaming arena. They are putting the A17 Pro chip, the same monster from the iPhone 15 Pro, into a TV box.
Why?
Because Apple Intelligence is coming to your big screen. Imagine a Siri that actually works. A Siri that knows your taste in movies better than you do. A Siri that can control every single smart home device in your house with zero lag thanks to the new N1 networking chip and Wi-Fi 7 support. If you have been using a lagging smart TV interface, those days are officially over. The 2026 Apple TV 4K is designed to be the brain of your home, and the price point being whispered, under $100 for the base model, is a direct attack on every other streaming device on the market. Now, let's talk about the heavy hitters. The MacBook Pro. We've just received word that the M5 Pro and M5 Max chips are finally hitting production. These aren't just incremental updates. The M5 series is built on a refined 3-nanometer process that focuses almost entirely on one thing: neural engine power. Apple is betting everything on AI. They want your laptop to be able to generate video, edit complex 3D scenes, and run local large language models without even spinning the fans. And for the first time, we are hearing credible reports about the MacBook Air M5 arriving as early as next month. If you are a student or a professional waiting for the perfect balance of power and portability, the wait is almost over. But here is the warning: with global chip prices skyrocketing, Apple is facing a massive supply constraint. If you don't get your order in the second these drop, you might be waiting until late 2026 to get your hands on one. But wait, there is one more thing that has the insiders panicking. The foldable